Benny. It's a real choo-choo train. What do you see? Say choo-choo. Are you happy? Look at mommy. Are you happy? What do you think? Whoa, buddy. You like them, huh?
3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, go. Are you on train?
Oi! Oi! Oi!
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go!
Almost. Wow. What do you think, Benny? Everybody take a picture. Benny's
Picture.
Aww, that was fun. Put your necklace on. Ready, ready,
Set.
ready, set.
Go! Go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Do you need to slide on him?
That's why.
Hey,
3, 2, 1, go!
Daddy photo bomb.
3, 2, 1, go! 3, 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Show my necklace you made me.
3, 2,
I thought they said no picnic.
Choo choo, Jackie. Train. It does sound like a diesel. Maybe it is a diesel.
And the one in front looks like rust.
Oh, he's waving.
Away go!
Here we go.
One. 2, 1,
1,
2.
2.
Whoa!
What do you think, Benny?
Left of our train as we leave the station is
Jack's happy.
Mill. Swedish immigrants built the first mill here in 1677. And over the years, this site has produced everything from plows to wagon wheels. In
So
1852,
cool!
one of the mill's owners built a mansion on a grassy bank overlooking the mill. He named the mansion Green Bank. And the mansion became the name of the
Water.
community. At one time, there were a dozen mills along our tracks and all very important to both the railroad and the community. The mills provided employment to local
Whoa,
residents
a
and
seawall.
business for the railroad.
That's something later, bud.
Today, Green Bank Mill is the only surviving mill along our line.
Water.
Water.
And Green Bank Mill Associates owns and operates the mill as it is.
Benny, look at me. You're doing a good job. Leave it in. You guys are sweet.
Swedish immigrants built the first mill here in 1677. And over the years, this site has produced everything from plows to wagon wheels. In 1852, one of the mill's owners built a mansion